Hello late night coders and welcome back. This time I have a short fun video for you where I show you how to add favicons to your website. So in case you wonder what favicons are, if for example you go to google.com, you see this little icon on this Chrome tab. Here that's their logo and that's the favicon. If you go other website like crypto.com, you see that one there. And for my portfolio, I have just like created a text favicon, which is just my like initials. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to create image or text or even emoji favicons and add that to your project. So before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn the notifications on. That way you will be the first to know when I publish new videos. Okay, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to go to the Webpack boilerplate GitHub repo that I have and get the starter package from there. Download the zip file or clone it, and once you do that, open it, unzip it, and then you can open the package, a project folder in your ID of choice. I have VS Code here, so that's what I'm using. First thing we're gonna do is npm install to make sure we install all the packages that we have. By the way, if you're wondering what all these files and folders are, I have another video where I explain this boilerplate, all the files and folders, and you can find that video, a link to that video in the description of this one. And also you'll see links up here on the top right corner, and you can use those to get to that other video. Next thing I'm gonna do is to npm start, which is how I start my dev basically environment. My npm start is the script that I use for that. If we now go to localhost 3000, we should see our welcome home page. As you can see right now, we don't have any icons here. It's just the default icon. So what we're gonna do is use this website favicon.io. You can basically generate favicons from PNG, text, or even emojis. For now, we start with PNG. What I'm gonna do is grab the PNG. I have like an image under the static folder, images, the subscribe image that we have on the home page, and I am going to grab that, and if I can grab it, oh, let's see, there we are. Okay, it's there. It's the favicons are generated now. If you hit the download button, and then you can open the folder, and if you look at it, you basically have all these PNG files. If you scroll down in this page, you will see that basically all you need to do is copy this HTML code and paste it under the head section of your HTML. I already have a sample here. I'm gonna delete it. I will paste it here. Since I'm using Pog, I need to make a few changes to make sure it works. It is compatible with Pog language, so that's first thing we change. And then here, there we go. I'm gonna create another folder under the images folder here and call it favicons. And then what I'm gonna do is to copy all these files to that folder. So everything, you just grab them and copy them to your favicon folder. You need to make sure that you are pointing to the right folder. So to get to this favicon folder, we need to actually add images / favicons to all these hrefs, and now we should be fine. Let's save it and go back to our local host, and boom, there it is. That's our favicon. Now that was just an image that we put there. We could do actually let's do a text real quick right now. For example, let's do late night coders. Just make sure you can see it here, a preview, and also up here you'll see a preview. Make sure that's how you want it to look. I'll do a smaller font and then maybe change the font family to like something that I like. I don't know, maybe bold here. Let's see. This is just fine for now, and then you can obviously change the background color and also the text color. And once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, all you will see again is all those same name PNG files and the web manifest. And again, all you have to do is just copy them and paste them on their favicon folder. And I'm doing it right now. I'm gonna replace the old ones, and once we do that, now we have the new ones. And if I go to localhost, it's already refreshed, and you can see I have the text favicon now. And last but not least, let's do a quick emoji. I like cats, obviously. So let's do this cat face. All you need to do again, download the zip file, unzip it, and copy and paste everything to your favicon folder again. And I'm just gonna replace again, and let's see, everything's good, and voila, it's all refreshed, and you can see that emoji here. So yeah, that's basically how you add favicons. It's super easy, just like 3-4 lines of code in your HTML, and you can use favicon.io to easily generate those favicons. I will also post this final code to GitHub and put a link to that in case you wanna make sure that you got everything right. And so as I said, you also have the code in the favicon.io, so you can grab the code from there too. All right, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and make sure also to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions or suggestions, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment box below. And yeah, that's all. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon.